Check this out, guys. This is an absolute beaut of a morel. Look at that guy, just a beast of a mushroom. Like that thing's got to be at least 3.5 inches. Just absolute beauty looking specimen. We are gonna take that specimen, harvest that sucker. Wow, that is like the perfect morel, minus the bugs. Absolutely beautiful. Stuff that thing full of shrimp and parm cheese and whatever else. Gonna be so tasty, yummy. Oh, just another beaut of a specimen of a morel. Take this guy down. Just absolutely perfect. Wow, wicked. Oh, holy, look at that. Couple absolute monsters. These things are huge. One thing, guys, that I want to mention about morels is it's insane. When you see one, a lot of times you'll start seeing these things pop up like everywhere. It's unreal. You think there's only one or two, and then you start looking, and then it's like 5, 6, 10, 15, 20. Like they blend in so well. To just slow down, get out of that crazy busy city pace or whatever you want to call it, and really just study the ground, because honest to God, 99% of the time, if I find one, there's at least 5 others with it, if not 50. So tip number 1. So just to give you guys an example here, I came in here, I was walking along, and I noticed that one right there. And then within like a second, I noticed that one. And then I was looking around and I noticed that one and that one. And I looked over here and I noticed those 2. And then I was tooting my way along and I noticed those ones. And I noticed that one. And see, talking about how morels kind of form to the space that they have, this one's kind of wrapped right around this twig. Funny shape. And I was looking around even more. I came over here. I noticed a whole bunch of them in here. And then I noticed that one and that one and that one. So it just goes to show you, they just keep popping up. They hide so well. There's another one down in there. It's unbelievable. Under the pine needles, under the brush. Morels are everywhere. You just have to find them. Crazy. I'm going to show you guys really quickly here the difference between a true morel and a false morel. You don't want to mix the two up because, yeah. So guys, these are false morel. That is a false morel. This one over here, false morel. This guy, false. So just to show you guys the difference, beside that false morel is a true morel. As I said, it's like comparing apples to bananas. True morel, false morel. Death, healthy. There you go. We're just cruising along here. There's a bunch of false morel. down, a bunch more false morel. They don't even look like a true morel, just so you guys know. However, when you do start seeing the false morel, keep your eyes peeled for the true morel, because the 2 and 2, they both go hand in hand. So if you see one, there's a good chance the true morel, the good morel, will be around. After explaining about the relationship between false morel and true morel, there we have a true morel. So within 8 feet of the false morel is a true morel. So good thing to know. Another quick tip for you guys, seeing as how we're on the topic. This stuff here is called cup fungus, and cup fungus and morels usually go hand in hand as well. Do you see cup fungus, especially in like burn areas and stuff like that? If you guys are picking fire morels, look for the cup fungus to show up. Chances are you're gonna find the morel. This one is hanging out right with the cup fungus, right where it should be. Absolutely perfect. So in relation to that, we also have another one here, another one there, another one over there, and there's a bunch around here. So keep your eyes peeled. Cup fungus, morels. I just found a beast of a morel. Check this thing out. Thing is huge. That is a beast. Wow. Sweet. Hiya. Hiya. Hiya.